What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be playing the Resident Evil 4 Remakes Chainsaw Demo. Haven't seen anything on the game, so we're going to hop right into it, see our first impressions. Looking forward to playing it. Let's get right in. Let's see, we got the main story, just options. Let me just make sure everything's good. Got some controls, camera. I'll make sure we got the best settings. Let's go frame rate. Turn subtitles on for y'all. Alright, let's get into it.
September 30th, 1998. It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
Wow. So, I mean, that cutscene looked really good. Looks like they compiled a couple of the scenes from RE2. Him with the president was from 6th game. I'll let you read that if you want to pause it, but I'll skip ahead. Alright, chapter 1. Wow. That looks amazing, dude. It's good to be back in the third person after the 2 games, 7th and 8th being first person. I'm liking it though. So far runs really smooth. Wow. Mechanics feel nice. I like it. I like it. Take a look at my boy Leon. Wow. Alright, so this is like towards the beginning of the game then. We're after we get dropped off. First part.
How far could he have gone?
Oh. Interesting. Just gonna walk away from that. Bushes here. Wow, that's dark. Try it. Ooh. So I'm actually really looking forward to playing this. I know Resident Evil 4, the original game, I mean that was a masterpiece. No, it received it very well. Everyone loved that one. So after all these years, finally bringing in a remake. I think they're slowly going to start remaking all of them. I know they did the 2nd and 3rd, which were great in my opinion. So now we're going to get the 4th one here. Maybe we'll get the 5th and 6th.
Anyone home?
Let's see what we got here. Wow, the lighting is one huge thing I'm noticing right now. It looks amazing. That's not creepy at all. Okay. Yeah, I'm noticing the lighting is looking real good. The mechanics are smooth. The movements are really good too. Man, I'm so excited for this to come out. Let's see what we got here. It's locked. Man, I don't even speak that. Okay. Oh, okay. That's nice. You at that, man?
Sorry to barge in like this.
He seems nice enough, right? He's cooking us some dinner.
Alicia. Vino aquí?
What you making, bro? I'm hungry. I'm gonna guess. Dog, this dude can't hear me. Oh. It's no bueno. Oh, shoot. That's sick. Oh. Gosh dang. Brother got slapped. That was unsettling.
This is
Hunter's Lodge key.
not good.
Oh, first gun. Wow. Oh, I'm glad to have this menu back. RE5 and 6 had a not so good menu, I ain't gonna lie. But I like this one. This is from the second and third game have this type of menu. It's good. Oh, I got the knife back. Oh! Yo, that's smooth. Wait a second. Just make sure he's dead. Oh, he dead. He dead. We good. I like that. That's cool. Alright, so we can open this door now. Got the key. Let's use that. Oh, wow, that is dark. Oh, man. Dude, I can already see this game is going to be way scarier than the original. Which is good. I like that. Just from the I mean, the lighting alone does so much to horror games. You play them, I mean, just a dark room, just have limited visibility, just makes everything scary. I was actually just playing the Resident Evil 7 earlier. I only played it one other time, so I was replaying it today. It is pretty scary, I ain't gonna lie. The lighting does a lot, though. Just being in a dark room with just a small flashlight, you have no idea what you can't see. That guy is for sure not good.
I read you. What's your situation?
Gonna have to guess this situation is not good either. The hell is going on indeed, Leon? Escape from hunters. What do we got in here? Cool, cool. He's not good. What's up with all the dead animals, bro?
What was that?
Oh. Nah, dog, there's someone there. Oh, yeah, there's.
No fucking way.
What? Dog, how many shots can you tank? Yeah, you down. What you got? Nothing? Okay. That sucks. Oh, there's others. No, I heard that. Can you turn the flashlight off? Dude, they're for sure seeing that. Nah. Bro. Fam. This door wasn't open before, I don't believe. It wasn't. Alright, new area. What do we got? Green herb. Cool, bringing those back. I like it. Okay. Wonder if that guy's gonna come and get me. Yeah, I would for sure like that, my dude. That is good. These cutscenes are looking good. The graphics are insane.
This is Gondor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up.
Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are...
Oh. Oh yeah, that lock ain't doing nothing. I would go if I were you. I would most certainly run.
Self out.
Yep, smart. Oh my gosh! Certified badass. Yeah, what you gonna do? See if we got anything back here. Alright. We're rocking 5 ammo, and that is not looking good. Oh. The wind effect is nice. Playing this on PS5, the DualSense is going nuts right now. That's nice. Oh, back of boxes. Nice. Oh, I can for sure hear somebody in there. Dog, get out of here. Oh, you're kidding me. It's so scary. This is so dark. Gunpowder. Can you craft ammo on this one? Oh, they're bringing this menu back, man. That's cool. That's memories. You can craft in this one. Wow. See, I don't remember there. I could be wrong, but I did not remember being able to craft in the original. It's been a while though, so. Got the map. This is cool. The knife has durability? What? I thought you just had an infinite knife in the original. That's new. Why can't I save? Well, shit. Better not die then. Could be because I'm recording, but... That's odd. Really better not die. I can't see anything, dog. I should have turned the brightness up. I can literally hear some dude breathing. This is not good. Dude, what? Oh, is this the village area? Could be. See, you can go down here though. Man, I could just be from the arena. I don't remember any of this stuff. Oh, I got the coins. Okay, so they're gonna have. Oh, I forgot about the merchant, dude. What a classic. Everybody's played it, knows that voice. What are you buying? What are you selling? Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Absolute classic. Glad to see he's back. Well, assuming he's back. Oh. Oh my gosh. You didn't see that. You didn't see that. Oh, what is this? Oh, that's cool. Oh! Oh, sir. I'm gonna have to ask you to die, sir. Thank you. I appreciate it. Crap, man. That's cool. You can do like finishers, man. It's sick. Alright, so I got gunpowder now. Strong health. Can I take an individual herb? I can. That's cool. Let's see, so I don't got enough for any of this. I only got 4 gunpowder. Can make handgun ammo, shotgun, different types of herbs. It's a lot of different types. Grenade levers increase your maximum health. Blend a green and yellow, or store as much as a single green herb and increase your maximum health. Huh. Dang, that's a lot. Cool. Oh, I already know it's gonna be bad. I couldn't save, dude. Your boy does not have the best aim. Okay. Oh, that's not even fair, dude. I couldn't even see you. Yo, he's like, oh, look at the way I'm holding that gun. It's like sideways. Sick. And you're like tilted like that. That's cool. More. I mean, they're generous with the ammo. Didn't make me choose a difficulty or anything, but... Flash grenade. Oh, you gotta see what that looks like. Red herbs. I should have waited to... Dang, I should have waited to change to the other herb if I saved the green one, but that's alright. I'll probably find another one down here. I mean, so this is looking amazing so far. And the graphics are crazy. And the mechanics are all really smooth. What is this? Oh. That's cool. Oh. Yeah, no, there's nothing I can do about that, brother. I'm sorry, you're gone. You're just gone. Okay, so we're not rocking a lot of ammo. The situation at hand is... we are not rocking that much ammo. And I'm not looking at too many houses here to get some stuff. Oh, they are very much behind me. And they are not having it. Okay, you are all vigorously chasing me. Yeah, this is not going to end well for you, bud. I should not have shot that dude. Wow. I remember there being a shotgun in one of these houses. I'm for sure going to need that. There's a grenade, I think. Oh, that'll do. Yeah, so that'll buy me some time just to loot. Okay, it was this house then. I believe this. Oh, here it is. The chainsaw man. This is going to be the biggest fight of the demo. I heard somewhere that you can use the knife to block the chainsaw. Because in the original, it's a one tap if you got hit by that thing. Okay, so we still got this. You can barricade the windows. That's cool. If I just heard that correctly, buddy's behind me. First aid spray. Good, good, good. Okay. I'm gonna want to run. Get that, get that.
Oh, nice.
Ammo anywhere? Ammo, ammo? Nope. We gone, bruh. Jump out the window, cuh. Oh! No, sir. I'm getting dogpiled, bruh. Holy crap. Okay. Here's how we're gonna do things. You're gonna grade him. Oh! Oh my gosh, there's so many of them, dude. I'm dead. I'm fricked. I'm fricked. You can't run through people, bruh. Oh, I'm so glad. Okay. You can pause it to, like, heal and stuff. That is perfect. Holy smokes, this is hard. I don't remember being freaking destroyed by these nerds. I'm already out. You're joking. Jeez, dude. I gotta get that off. You're joking. Holy smokes, dude. I guess there's more houses for me to loot, but not much. Jeez, if I had better aim. My gosh, dude. Oh. Oh, sorry, Cal. You're gone. My bad, mate. Resources? The crap is that? Dude, every time I go past, there's another one of you suckers to kill. Okay, you need to go down. This guy is my biggest threat. Really, really. Break free. Dog, run. Dog, run! Hand grenade. Really? There's more of you. Dog, there's nothing I can do. Use that. Is there anything I can craft? I can craft handgun ammo. It's freaking... Might as well. Jeez, that's all I got. Dude, run! I mean, I'm literally fricked. If they dogpile you like this, there's nothing you can do. So that... Oh, that doesn't even one-tap him. Wow. So I can do this. I can probably kick it down then.
Let's see you climb this.
Give me some time. Holy, man. Man, I just don't remember it being this hard. Where's the chainsaw guy? Where's the chainsaw guy? You know what? Might as well just start taking you out. Alright, I mean, might as well just start. Am I Whoa! Oh, right, I forgot. This happens in the game, too. The church does ring and everyone just goes psycho. You don't actually have to kill everyone. Holy smokes, man. That was intense. I mean, that was one of the most iconic scenes of the game, though. I'm glad they chose that for the demo. That really... I mean, you get right into it. So, wow, the gun mechanics are crazy. That is smooth. I was getting dogpiled on, bro. Yeah, that shotgun was nice. I remember the chainsaw guys are crazy. When they one-tap you and they're beefy as heck, dude. So I wonder if the demo goes more than this, or... It is just called the chainsaw demo, so... I mean, I was assuming it was just the village. This section here, but I mean, we had that intro part, which is cool. Wonder if we'll be able to explore... elsewhere? But yeah, I mean, so far I'm impressed. Graphics are nuts. Mechanics are crazy. I mean, it's like the same map. There it is. It's the same map and everything, but we got... I mean, it just looks so much different. I mean, it's been years. Years. I mean, the original one wasn't even in HD. So there it is. Money acquired. Which time? 15 minutes. Not long. Alright. I mean, like I said, I'm impressed. I'm looking forward to buying it. Got a little thank you for playing. That's nice. Looking forward to it. That was amazing. Alright, well, there you have it. Make sure, leave a like and a comment if you wish. Subscribe if you will. Above Average Bros. There it is. See you next time.